if I ever have trouble with the bottom not being quite right.
Oh wow!
I have
some backup boards.
No.
Oh jeez.
8,000 grit sand, wet dry sandpaper. Really finest grit I could find.
8,000. Yeah.
Well, I don't know 8,000. Maybe it was only 800.
Maybe 3,000.
Whatever it was. It was the finest I could find.
Without having to special order it.
Yeah, well. When you want less than 1,000, they don't tend to care for special orders much.
Yeah, I've noticed that too.
Okay, just putting them out of the way. Okay, let's see, I'll need this.
Oh, let me get out of your way.
We'll need these. Need it nice, okay. And
real sponges and fake sponges.
Well,
we spared no expense.
These real sponges are getting harder and harder to find. I didn't know. Here, I'm not really get my shit together here for a second.
Okay.
Shit more together. And I'll need that bottle. The squirt bottle is here. I got it.
Oh, squirt bottle. I'm sorry. I'm going too far over.
Oh, it's still a little soft. Okay. Yeah, it's still a bit soft.
That's how you get the first initial corner, huh?
I don't know. Let's see. This one looks like. Yeah, I'm afraid.
There's a little
gap
in the. I don't know if that matters or not.
Yeah, yeah, it does. But,
oh, it does? Okay.
But I've got to put them all on it, and then I'll go look, because I know they're going to be there. Gaps and little places where it's overhang or not touching it or okay.
Not completely flush.
Yeah. And it just happens.
Mm.
So once it's set up and it recognizes its final, then I can.
Get it all perfect.
Well, it's never perfect. Fucking perfection.
Perfection is a human concept.
Doesn't exist. Yeah.
Mm.
I'll pinch these together. All nice. Oops. I swear.
Not having a phone case makes the phone extra slippery. I'll get a new one. You're gonna need a phone. There you go. Alright, just like that. Some happy little water. On the
Did you happen to see the documentary about him?
No, not yet.
Oh, he kind of got taken.
Yeah, I'm sure. Even with PBS.
Well, it wasn't PBS. It was his so-called management.
Oh.
But then I've also listened to the Turtles tell about
Mm.
how even though they had #1 records, they owed their management. They were sued by their management who had been ripping them off for money that they didn't have.
Only in America.
They said, "Hey, we were kids, we were teenagers when we signed that." Okay.
I didn't know any better.
Yeah. And no. Okay. Let me quickly. Yeah.
Now you're moving it to this one?
Nope, I'm flipping it over
Oh.
so I can clean up the edges. Just pinch them together and
Slide up, huh?
slide
Yeah.
them so they're in. Okay. Now flip it back. I'm going to put a round part. Hopefully I'll make it tomorrow.
Mm.
So I want this to start being round.
Get out of your way.
Yeah, it's too wet still.
Mm.
I'll let it dry out.
Okay. You don't want to rush it, right?
I want to get these scoogies off, but I don't want to do it at the risk of it, totally warping. So where's the square one now? I got the square one. I'm gonna go get a shot inside and then I'll clean it up.
Okay. Get all the excess out of there.
almost, isn't it? Later on, I'll take one of those sponges on a stick,
Oh,
and I'll
clean
it up some more. But
Hmm.
right now, it is still just a little soft, and I think I want to let it sit up before I go any further.
Before you add more water to it.
Yeah, and more weight and such. But anyway.
All right.
So.
Dude, awesome. All that in just a couple hours.
Push those down. Yeah, clean them all up. Flip it over one more time. Yeah, okay. See how this one swooped in, but this one swooped out.
Yeah.
And nothing I can do about it, really. But they were just a little bit moister than I would have liked. But so it goes for now. Then, you know, I'll
and tomorrow after this,
clean it up and everything. Yeah. Okay.
All right. Nice.
Right side up again.
Let me get out of your way.
Let me get a that.
One of those circles.
There we go. And then little plastic and
We are set.
done for now anyway.
Okay.
So there we go.
Very cool.
I'll put these underneath, and after another couple hours or so, when I'll clean up the edges and so forth. But it's just too soft right now, and it's thinner than I should have gotten it.
Oh.
So, but anyway, that's that.
All right. Thank you.
So.
Very cool.